God, I've been praying every day, but none of my prayers are ever answered. I will hang in there till you answer my prayers.
Bekezela, kuzolunga. Impilo inzima kodwa njalo ukhona uzokupha amandla. Bekezela, kuzolunga. Impilo inzima kodwa njalo ukhona uzokupha amandla.
Lord, I pray for a new hand. Healing is scarce when you fly away. So many years I'm still in the hell. There's a reason for every pain. Smoking weed will never help. Stand up nigga and take a step. It can't be dingy but the sun will rise. Tears won't wash their pains away. The shit of life became a drug. I always say it's gonna be okay. When I need light like a Siri at night. Innocent, just drowning in jail. Just be grateful that you're still alive. One day the Lord will answer me. Don't lead your brain to suicide, cause you never know when a day will come.
Bekezela, kuzolunga. Impilo inzima kodwa umdali ukhona uzokupha amandla.
Grind and hustle, nigga, never give up. Life is a crap, you should never get crashed. They're trying to break you, but you gotta be strong. You gotta fight your demons every day. They're trying to bend you, you should rise from ashes. The life you live today shall come to pass. Your pains and tears will be a testimony when all your dreams and goals are coming true. You shed a pool of tears, that's enough. It's the end of the tunnel, you will see the light. Never cease to pray, better days are coming. Dig deep, never stop the digging. Respect your heart and never mind the people. They'll never help you, no matter the storm, the sorrows and pains. Never lose your faith, always trust in God.
Bekezela,